my friends. Are you ready for an experiment? Awesome. This one's going to be super cool. It has to do with liquids because this week is L week. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix these different liquids and see what happens. Right now I have some water and I have vegetable oil and I have milk. What do you think is going to happen when I mix these three things together? That's possible. I like the way you're thinking. Do you want to find out? Yeah, me too. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this clear jar. And I want it to be clear so I can see through it, so I can see what happens. Okay? So first, I'm going to take my water and I'm going to dump it in very carefully. Okay. Then, I'm going to take my oil and I'm going to dump that in very carefully. Then I need something to stir it with. Hold on. Ugh. I have a handy dandy chopstick. But, you noticing anything? Look it. Let's try to stir it in a little bit, see if it'll mix. There we go. Now it's mixing up. There we go. Now it's all mixed up. Let's watch it. What's it doing? This looks so weird. Look it. What's on the bottom? Do you think that's water or oil? Wow. It's kind of weird with all those bubbles. I mixed it up really good and it's like unmixing itself. That's so weird. My friends, I've waited a few minutes and it seems like the water and the oil have separated. Why do you think that is? And look it's got this weird bubbly layer between them. So cool. Do you want to see what happens if we mix some milk in? Now, I'm going to mix a little bit of milk in to see what happens, because I don't know what would happen. Honestly, we're just mixing liquids. What do you notice? Where did the milk go? Yeah, the milk went all the way to the bottom. It totally skipped through the oil. That's super weird. Now the milk looks kind of like snow. A little bit. It's hard to describe. That's super cool. The oil is still on top. The water and the milk are on the bottom. That's super cool. It just looks super weird, my friends. This weird bubble line right here makes it look like snow, and it makes this kind of look like ice cream down here. I don't know. It's really strange. And then this is like more light bubblies, and this is all the oil, because the oil apparently doesn't like milk and water. That's so cool. We're gonna wait and let this settle, and then we'll come back and check on it in a little bit and see what happens. Okay? Y'all, look what happened. The water and the milk are on the bottom, and the oil is on the top. It's so weird. They're all liquids, but they don't like each other. And that's okay. I mean, you don't have to like everybody, but it's just a really cool experiment, huh? Thanks for helping me with this experiment with liquids today. If you have any ideas for what you want to try out next week, let me know, and we'll do more fun things in the experiment lab soon. Okay, my friends? I'll see you later. Bye.